African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that day. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that day. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
Great is thy faithfulness, O Lord my Father. On this note, I welcome you to another episode of African Kitchen. I remain Buki Ogunnote, your host. All right, on the episode today, I have a big fish. It's not a fish, a big horse. No, it's not a horse, a big man. Somebody that is big, he's into the showbiz industry. He's been there for years. You have been disturbing us that we should bring him. Thank God he's here with us today. I'm sure many of you will learn so many things about him. Things you can never imagine that he can be. He's going to be telling us a little bit about himself. What exactly is happening to him? Where has it been? What's been happening? It belongs to an association. When I come back after this break, I'm going to be bringing my guests. The program is African Kitchen. I remain Buki Ogunnote, your host. So stay glued to your TV set and don't change the dial. I'll be back. Welcome back, viewers. If you're just joining me, the program is African Kitchen and I'm Buki Ogunnote. Welcome. All right, without much ado, let me bring in my guest. All the way from Nta Ijebu Ode. He's going to come in his own way. Orin ló fi máa wọlé.
Orin. No. No, we have to be a little bit hygienic. This is kitchen.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't really matter.
That is part of what we do. Let's do the paparazzi and everything.
Okay, it's all right. Shalao, shalafia.
Àlàáfíà.
Shalao, shalafia. Shalafia ri mo bá ẹ o ọ̀rọ̀ bushi. Yeah, just to let you know that I'm from Ijebu.
It's
yes,
good.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. It's nice to meet you. Just hug me.
I
will manage it.
Don't worry.
I will manage it. My praise. Oh yeah.
How are you doing?
Move body babe.
Yes.
Body.
All right,
here is the man of the moment, Prince Nta Ode. I want you to greet everybody. We all know you're from Ijebu. Well, so in that Ijebu dialect, oh yeah, got me for wọn rẹpẹtẹ.
Mo kí dédé wọn o. Ṣàlàáfíà ara àbọ̀ dédé wọn ń bẹ o. Wọ́n ká wa síbẹ̀ o àti débé o.
Kì í ṣe wípé ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n ká wa síbẹ̀ ni.
No, I know how to cook.
You know how to cook?
I'm a very good one at that.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go a little bit into your background. Who is Nta Ode?
Well, my name is Nta Ode. I'm actually from Nta Ijebu. You know, that is from Ijebu, not local government of Ogun State.
Okay.
I'm a teacher, I'm a dramatist, I'm a communicator.
Wow.
So let me just put it that way, very briefly. Yes, because I actually went to a teacher training college. So by virtue of that, I think I should refer myself as a teacher.
Wow.
A trained one at that. I'm not an auxiliary teacher, mind you.
Sorry.
Because some people claim to be a teacher when they're actually not teacher.
So
because
did you teach at all?
I taught very briefly. You know, immediately I left teacher training college, I taught.
Wow. How was the experience like?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, Nta Ode, what exactly took you into acting? What motivated you?
Well, I've said it many times. Maybe the environment where I grew up actually influenced my artistic career, because when I was brought up, I was actually brought up in the village. And you know then that, okay, there are lots of activities going on in the village, festivals, different festivals, traditional festivals and that. And I discovered, okay, Dele Odule, you can drum now, you can dance, you can sing. So why don't we just go into it, exploit that artistic prowess and make something out of it.
Wow.
That's how I started.
So did you start under the tutelage of anybody?
Oh, I did. No, I did. Okay. I actually started with Abaru Oloko Theatre.
Abaru Oloko?
Yeah, exactly. We were led by Michael Adebisi Oloko, blessed memory. Yeah, it's late now. Then I moved to Bosun Odunsi. Yeah, exactly. He's my Oga.
Oh, yeah.
He's my Oga.
He's still your Oga.
Oh, yes. He remains my Oga for life. He's still there. He's still living. Yeah, exactly.
That's nice.
Exactly.
Nice. So, ever since then, how has the experience been?
Well, thank God to his, at least this far. I thank God. I give glory to God.
Okay, glory be to God Almighty. Here is Dele Odule, Prince Dele Odule, live and direct here in African Kitchen. He's going to be cooking for us. When we come back, he will tell us what he's going to be cooking. And while we are in the cooking process, he will tell us some other things that you do not know about him. Because I know this man has so much within him that you people will be like, yeah, Sheikh Dele is like this. Stay tuned. I will be right back. Welcome back, viewers. I'm still here in African Kitchen with Omoba Dele Odule, all the way from Nta Ijebu. All right, let's start the main business first. Then from there, all the questions that you sent us, we'll be asking him. All right, Prince Dele Odule, what exactly do you want to prepare for us today?
Egusi Ijebu.
Okay.
Egusi Ijebu, as in stew. This is fried melon.
Okay.
This is dried fish. Pomo. Pomo.
Goat steak.
This is cow meat.
Okay.
This should be Ogiri Ijebu. Let me quickly, give you some facts about all this.
All right.
This one is good for someone like me, someone like you, someone who is of age. This one is good for. Why we have decided to at least make sure we dry this or Friday, sort of, is because you have succeeded in removing all the oily part of it.
Okay.
Are you with me? Because it's not just that, okay, go and,
okay.
Yes. And this one, Ogiri, represents this seasoning. Right. This is the real thing, Ogiri Ijebu. And it works for the eyes anyway. And that is why we try and, include it into what we do so that will help the eyes.
Wow.
Pomo, kò sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún yàn. Kò ṣe yàn níkà, kò dẹ̀ ṣe yàn lórí. So, and this pomo, good for us. It's better than, it's better used than to use groundnut oil. So this one is good for Egusi Ijebu. So let's start the business.
And your pepper
straight away. Yeah, that's my pepper. So we have to be a little bit. That means
so
that.
I should remove my own.
No, yes, you have to remove it now.
No, I'm not cooking now.
That shows I'm a better cook.
Oh, sure.
Yes.
Sure. A better cook indeed. Me, I'm not cooking now.
Don't worry, I am cooking. I'm cooking for you to eat.
So eat, I will eat. Magba. Let's go. Let me just put some little more. Go ahead, teach them, tell them what you are doing. You are the one that are watching. I want to add more.
Come and help me open this.
Say please.
Please. Thank you.
I won't say you are my president. You are in my kitchen.
Don't worry, I know I'm in your kitchen. Yes. You start with this.
This is another style entirely that I'm learning. Okay. They put water in it. And he pours the pepper.
Exactly.
Okay. What next?
Let me have a little of this.
Okay, I will help you. Say
Please.
please. Because I'm assisting you in the kitchen. Am I your maid? You
No,
might be my president.
Do you
but
know
yeah,
do
you
you
are
know
my
my,
kitchen.
do you know my age?
Do you know my age? Do you know my age? Oh, Giri, very beautiful. Àwọn ará Ìjẹ̀bú Ìṣá. They will pack it, it will be so big, but by the time you get down into the content.
Preservation.
Kónkóló báyìí.
Now, I'm on time shape.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà rèé o, ó ń dà. Nǹkan tá à ń wá náà lọ nínú gbogbo ẹrù náà rèé o.
Exactly.
Sorry. Wow. This is fresh.
Very fresh. Put it down.
I should put it.
Yeah.
Sure, we should use 2.
No. One is okay. One is okay.
That's nice. It's fresh. Did you tell me who taught you how to cook? Mommy?
My mom died many years ago.
Yeah.
Almost 50 years.
But while she was alive?
I was still very young when my mother died. I was very, very young when my mother died. So I want to call me ọbẹ̀ sísè pọ̀ gan ni. Tó o bá ti ní ìyá tó máa tọ́ ẹ á pọ̀ gan ni. Wà á gbà fún Ọlọ́run náà. So after this,
okay,
you put this one.
The egusi. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay. And egusi swell too, especially now that we had fried it. Viewers, this egusi had been fried though, before it was blended. Wow.
Egusi Ijebu lórí ẹ o.
Egusi Ijebu. This is another style entirely. I'm telling you. Water. See how it's swelling. I noticed that you did not remove your hand from it. You're just staring and staring. So why is that?
So that we will have the real thing.
Okay, what is the real thing? It will not have lumps. Egusi
Exactly.
Ijebu oyè kó ní kókó. Pàmò ẹ̀ náà measurement tán. Gbogbo ẹ̀ measurement tún. 1, 3. So it's okay like that, ba?
Very okay. Very okay.
So ladies and women out there that you cannot cook, what excuse do you have? Do you even help at home to cook at all?
I do.
Are you sure?
Proper egusi Ijebu, not the Aruku Shaka type.
But I've learnt it anyway. Who knows?
If you like, you can apply this. You can put this one there too.
That's the meat.
Yeah, the meat.
Our semo is ready. Okay. So that one is good to go.
Oh yeah.
Oh. So what is...
This one comes last anyway.
Oh, the fish.
The fish comes last.
Boy, if you season, if you cook,
Season, what do you need?
No, I mean the salt to taste. And you're not using onion.
I'm using this. No, I'm not using this.
Okay, you're not using onion.
I'm not using this. The ogiri represents this. So you don't actually need
this one again.
Exactly.
It's only the salt that we will need.
Only the salt.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let me see. Asha don't say abi ki se pajo. So if I decide to mix ewedu
you can eat it with ewedu. Yeah, exactly.
It goes.
Yeah,
wow.
it goes.
That is nice. So what do we expect from Omoba Dele Odule any moment from now? Is there anything you're cooking together for us?
I actually want to start working on series now. I want to go into television production. I've done enough of all this home video stuff, so I want to go back to television thing. So by the first quarter of next year, you are seeing something new in the stable of Dele Odule.
Okay, sure. All right. Now back to where I was, like I started from. What exactly is it that some people do not know about Dele Odule? I know Dele Odule is not shy, but very quiet and reserved, unlike the perception of some
what
other
people actually don't know about me is I don't want to make it public.
So
I don't want to make it public.
No, nobody will come.
Seriously, I don't want to make it
Nobody
public.
will come.
All I know is I like people, and I love to help people. People may not know that, but I like helping people. That is within the reach of, my capacity. That's
Okay.
it.
Has there been any day that you were like, probably almost regretted? Day that
There is no job that will not have its up and down. So, and if I have overcome a particular period, I don't talk about it again. I don't look back. I look forward to what I'm going to achieve. I don't look back. All I do is just to look my right, my left, and look straight to where I am going. I don't look back.
So you don't even try to make corrections from the past?
Well, if I make mistakes, I try to correct that.
If you don't
like
look
I
back,
said,
how will you make the miscorrection?
how do you mean?
I mean, look back and say, okay, let me correct in future, now. Do you understand? That's what I mean.
I said that tell when it's Tony J. I'm serious.
Wait, oh.
You see Jebula.
Wow.
You see your go already.
Ọbẹ̀ ti sọ. O gbọ́ kan sọ pé ọbẹ̀ sọ.
That's it. God bless you.
So I said, okay, instead of people, find solace in beggary, why can't they just use their talents to make money, as source of livelihood? And that was exactly what inspired me. And I said, okay, as a blind person who is talented, I don't need to resort to beggary. I can as well, if somebody who is not blind can sing, and a blind also sings, so what is the difference? I'm not going to use my eyes to sing. It is the mouth and the talent that I need, and I've been given. So why wasting it? That is the source of inspiration anyway. And I dedicated that job to Benjamin. Yeah, to Benjamin.
It was nice. I
Love that job. I started falling in love with you from that.
Are you still in love?
No, sorry. I'm not in love with you again.
Maybe I'm still in love. I don't know whether you are still in love.
I'm not in love if I'm in love with you.
So which of the songs are you now referring to?
No,
because I have it.
So many, yes, I do so many of them.
There is
so many of them.
one particular song that I love so much.
Yes, let's hear
that
it.
is ṣùgbọ́n kan
bẹ́ẹ̀ láyé
èmi kò fẹ́ mọ́ látòní lọ ọba tó wo ṣùgbọ́n jábèsì wo ṣùgbọ́n ayé mi.
Yes, so that was the ṣùgbọ́n.
ọbẹ̀ ti fẹ́ rẹ́ dé.
ọbẹ̀ ti rẹ̀ ó ti rẹ̀.
ọbẹ̀ ti fẹ́ rẹ́ dé.
Okay, very viewers at home. Omobatele Odule is here with me. Don't worry if you're just joining. Just prepared egusi Ijebu with semo. You can eat egusi Ijebu with what and what? If I decide to eat it with amala, can
amala.
Rice.
It could be amala lafun. It could be amala dudu. You can eat. It's not too good for rice, but that is not to say that you cannot eat it
with rice.
Yes, but it's good to eat egusi Ijebu with swallow. You will enjoy it more.
Okay, no wahala.
You can
okay, egusi Ijebu, no wahala. He's here. But let's still go ahead to the table. The semo is ready, and of course the egusi Ijebu is
ready.
Ready. So how am I fẹ́ lọ kúrò ní kitchen? Ijó ni. I thought you said you learned how to dance that time.
Yeah, I know how to dance.
Okay.
I know how to drum.
No, don't drum now.
Since you don't even have the drum here.
Don't worry. Sing. Let's dance to a song.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's dance to one song as we are going.
Not shuku shuku.
No, shaku shaku.
Not shaku shaku.
Not shaku shaku.
Not shaku shaku dance.
No, I'm talking about traditional.
Mo ṣe èmi ṣọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi o. Mo ṣe ṣọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi. Kíṣù ọmọ bá jìnnà kó má jó mi lẹ́nu. Jẹ́ ká máa jó lọ.
Báyà ọmọ bá wọlé. Báyà ọmọ kó má máa lé mi síta.
Kó má máa lé mi síta. Torí yẹ.
Okay, viewers, let's go to the table. Africa Kitchen is the program. Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú is ready. Èmi á taste ẹ̀ bọ́mọ bàbá tẹ̀ taste ẹ̀.
Mo ti gbọ́ aroma ni.
Are you one of them?
Aroma ni.
Are you one of them?
Kò ní ìdíkà taste ẹ̀ aroma ni.
Viewers, thank you so much. Before I go from the kitchen, I want to say a very big thank you to Sunflag. Look at what I'm wearing.
Wow.
Sunflag fabrics. Sunflag Nigeria
Cute.
Limited. They're the ones that have decorated me. Sunflag African Fabric Nigeria Limited. 100% cotton. Thank you. Viewers, let's go to the table. I'll see you after this timer.
Viewers, you're welcome back. We are here to test the food that has been cooked.
Wow.
Yes, by Prince Nta Ode. On the table is what's your name, sir?
Àríṣe. Àríṣe jẹun. Àríṣe jẹsẹ̀ mọ́.
Okay, let's go on and enjoy this.
Ní agbára.
Ó ní agbára. Viewers at home, you're welcome back. Wow, Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú. How was the food, Mr. Arishi?
Very good. Mi ò dáa kò gbọ́dọ̀ sọ. Abẹ́ ti gbé o tiẹ̀.
Yóò dùn, just say it, kò dùn, simple.
Ó dùn àbí ó dùn?
Ó dùn. Kódà inú mi dùn tí mo rí jẹ́mẹ̀. Ọba ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi ò bá rí jẹ́mẹ̀ ni kò bá dùn mí gan-an.
It is well. When you cook Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú, you put oríṣiríṣi, you put momo, you put dry fish, and you now garnish it with some. Why didn't you put crayfish?
No. Crayfish is not the in thing. Yes, crayfish is meant for something else.
Okay.
When I'm ready to prepare porridge for you, I will use crayfish.
Okay. So in Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú, you don't put.
You don't need. What you need, okay. If you see mushroom,
Okay.
yeah, you can.
You can add it.
You can add it. You can add mushroom.
That's nice.
Mushroom is good for Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú. You will enjoy it.
That's nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed it. Okay, viewers, you have seen the preparation of Ẹ̀gúsí Ìjẹ̀bú in Nta Ode style, in his own way, which I believe is a very good way. I will adopt the style from now on. Okay, now, I want to say very big thank you to you for coming.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
You called you and you honor us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Nta Ijebu, for coming. Tẹ́wá jẹ ẹ̀gúsí wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ló fún láìsàn lónìí. Thank you so much. Okay, viewers, I'll see you again next week with another episode of African Kitchen. Until then, I remain Buki Ogunote. Stay blessed and keep eating healthy, okay? What you eat is your medicine. So eat right so that you won't fall sick or you won't have to spend money on drugs. From every one of us, we say, Bye.
Bye bye.
God bless.